Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a Forex Sessions Indicator on TradingView so you can easily see the London, New York, Asian, and Sydney trading sessions on your charts. If this helps you, tap like so more traders can find it. First, open TradingView and go to the chart where you want to display the sessions. At the top, click on Indicators. In the search bar, type Sessions or Forex Sessions. You'll see several options, but the most popular and easy to use one is usually called Sessions on Chart under the built-ins or similar community scripts depending on your version. Click it to add it to your chart. Once the indicator loads, you'll see colored background blocks on your chart representing different market sessions. To customize the colors, times, or which sessions you want to display, go to the top of the screen, hover over the indicator name, and click Settings, the gear icon. Inside the Settings menu, you can turn sessions on or off like London, New York, Tokyo, or Sydney, change the colors, and even adjust the time zone to match your trading preferences. Make sure the time zone matches your TradingView chart settings for accurate session overlays. When you're done, hit OK, and your Forex sessions are now fully set up and customized. That's it for this quick guide. If you want more TradingView indicator tutorials or strategy setups, hit subscribe and I'll drop more step-by-step videos. See you in the next one.